In this video, I will show you how to duplicate or extend your screens for Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So first, to do this, you will need at least 2 monitors or 2 screens. So if you only have 1 monitor, you won't be able to do this. And to extend our monitor, what we need to do right now is just right-click here on the desktop. And now let's go to the display settings. And now here, as you can see, I have 2 screens. So this will change depending of how you have your setup. But now what we need to do is go here, and as you can see, we have different options. We can duplicate the displays or extend the displays, or only show one or only show the other monitor. So as you can see here, we have different options. Also, we can change these settings from here. If we go down here and click in this button, and now here, as you can see in project, we'll have the same settings as here. And you can also open this with a hotkey by just pressing the Windows key and also the P key. So as you can see, this will pop up. So from here, you can also change your screens if you want to duplicate or extend or only use one screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.